Hi, everyone. My name is Nathan Wosnack. I am the founder and CEO of Ubitquity LLC. I'm also the co-chair of nDAO, which is a distributed autonomous organization. I'm here with MJ Phillips, who is our CTO, as well as, what is that other position there, MJ? I forget.
CISO.
CISO. Thank you. It's a brand new acronym, so I'm just getting used to it, guys and gals. So CTO, CISO, he's just joined us a new position. We're here to show you a live minting of an NFT, which will be going over not the Polygon network this time, but over our native utility token called UBQT. So with this token, when we mint, or when MJ mints, excuse me, it's going to mint onto our platform. It's going to upload the data onto the block explorer for UBQT, that's XPR Network. And then in the back end, it's automatically minting, or it's automatically uploading and storing the files on IPFS, which is a peer-to-peer storage, as well as Google Cloud Platform, also known as GCP. So without further ado, we're going to start from the top here. MJ is going to start minting. So we're on the home page here, you can see. This is for NFTitle Network. And by the way, before I get started, if any of you are interested in getting an account, it's free of charge. All you have to pay for is your own minting and your purchases. And that is at nDAO.org. And then click on the NFTp, which stands for non-fungible title platform. So this is a public-facing version that's white labeled, and it's for consumers, and our corporate customers have something that's basically the same, with a few menus, a few extra menus for some of our customers that have add-ons that are not displayed here. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and do this. So MJ, go ahead and click on NFT minting, I believe. Okay, you'll see here, create NFTp. So he's going to start by putting the title of the NFT into this. So go ahead and do that. Whatever you want to call it. Test. There you go. And then description will be the description of the actual NFT. These are ERC 721. We do plan on having ERC 1155 compatibility here, likely for Q1. It'll probably be as late as Q1. We could do it earlier, that'd be great, but we have that for Q1 of next year. So that he's going to select an image. Now, keep in mind, the image is going to be basically the cover image of the NFT. So he's going to use an image, and then in this case, we're going to use the same file. In this case, with NFTs, you can have an NFT that's an image. You can have an NFT that's music, like an MP3. I believe we support just MP3 for audio. I'd have to double check. We might support Wave, but we support MP3 for sure. We also support multiple video formats, MOV, MP4, etc. AVI, I believe, as well. And then we also support zip files and a whole bunch of other different formats, text as well. So, and in multiple image formats. So in this case, he's uploaded also the image, which you can see. Okay, go ahead and click submit. Okay, NFT was minted successfully. I believe that's in the queue. Is that correct? I believe it's in the minting queue. Yeah, so we'll go to the minting queue. Oh, yeah, so connect to XPR. So we want to connect the wallet. That's connecting to the WebAuth wallet, by the way. So on the back end, you'll see that he's actually opening up the wallet. You can't see his screen, but just assume you're just opening up your wallet. You have to actually have UBQT in your wallet in order to sell, in order to list it, actually. Yeah, you can see he's logged into his XPR Network account. You can see the XPR Network, formerly known as Proton logo. So we'll go ahead and... Oh, I think you're going to have to... Okay, right. Okay, before you do this, MJ, we'll stop for a sec. This is actually the one-click mint queuing system. So this is effectively right before it goes into the marketplace, also known as Emporium. So as you can see here, these are ones that are just sitting in the queue waiting to be minted. The one on the right-hand side is the one that he just submitted. So go ahead and hit mint, please. Okay, select the chain. There's Polygon. There's XPR Network. Obviously, in this case, we want to show XPR Network. So go ahead and click that, MJ. Okay, it wants to obviously authorize the signing request through WebAuth. So he's going to go ahead on his end and authorize that. It's the same deal as what you can normally do. You can do a QR code, or you can have it open up in the app. Do whatever you want. Just give me a second here. And voila, the NFT's been minted. All right, prove it, right? Let's go to the home page, or I guess NFT page. You can see here that he minted the NFT. There's the Ubitquity logo. There's the title. There's the description. And then there's a proof of ownership that it's won. Okay, you're going a bit quick for me here. MJ, this is the block. Go back for a sec. So there's three options here, right? A view on XPR Network Block Explorer, view on IPFS Filecoin Network. We are going to separate the second one where because it has a sub menu where it shows Google Cloud Platform, so that is kind of hidden in there. So we'll go back to the first thing, which was view on XPR Network Block Explorer. So go back go there, and you can see the NFTs minted. You can see all the information, the immutable record on, this is the immutable record on Pinata.cloud, which is the way we actually mint and the mint we store on IPFS, right? Interplanetary file system. So we're actually partnered with Pinata Cloud in the US, and then the name, and then the image hash. So we'll go back actually. And we'll go view on IPFS Filecoin Network. Choose that option. Okay, before you click, I just want to explain. There's the name, there's a description, and then there's the DRM key, which is basically digital rights management key. That is a code that how would I say, if you were to do forensic analysis and look at the actual information within the image, I guess they kind of has a hidden image in there, or hidden data, which is called kind of the art of steganography. You'll have that DRM key that's in there, and it's just basically a way to prove that you indeed minted this, that you own this image. So go ahead and click on View Google Cloud Storage. It'll pop up and it'll just say, do you want to download a zip file, effectively, I think. Or maybe it's just the image. What does it show on your end?
It wants me to download.
Okay, perfect. You guys can't see that, but it's actually wanting him to download the file. IPFS, same deal. Again, you won't be able to see it, but it's probably saying on his end download. Is that correct?
Yes, it is.
Perfect. Okay, go back, please. All right, and then just click on, just for the sake of other people want to see this, click on View Encryption Details, and that's just the DRM key. You can do a QR code scan. I don't recommend doing that right now. And then you have that number. Everything's in a text file you can copy as well. Okay, close that. Now we'll just real quick show everybody. So this is the same deal. It's the same as if you wanted to mint on Polygon, go to user, left-hand side, right down there. Yep. And then just all these users on the network. You can see there's one for nDAO. There's my account on the bottom there. And there's a few other ones that people have made. And then if you go to settings, the very bottom, it's just basically where you can change your logo, you can change your name, URL address, and your bio if you wanted to add that. It's not necessary, but it's good to have that, I think. Well, it's important, actually, is that we actually have a policy. If you use nDAO, you need to change your name and you need to let us know who you are. And that's just for security reasons. It's also for making sure that everyone there's no in violation of our user agreement. And there's the get help, which basically just goes to our FAQ. And that's it. And that's basically how we do it. So thanks so much, everyone, for joining us. If you have any questions, you can open up a support ticket. That's support.ubiquityx.com. And join us on Telegram. We're on multiple places, nDAO, Ubitquity. And I guess we'll see you on X, which is x.com/Ubitquity_IO. Thanks for your time, and see you next time.